Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how I use one of these ocean animal molds. You get all 6 of these in it. I have it linked in my Amazon shop at craftybeach.net. We're going to be using the dolphin mold along with an acrylic sheet from Dollar Tree to hold the mold, and of course Dollar Tree resin. It is a 1-to-1 mixture, A and B. If you can't find it at your store, sometimes you can find it online. And then I am going to use some of their resin ink to make blue streaks to give it like an ocean feel. So I pour some of the resin in, and then I take the blue pigment inks and just kind of dot it all over, and then mix in some more resin so it starts to spread. I want it to be streaky like the ocean, different shades of blue. So I'm just using a toothpick and just dragging the pigment around to give me a like ocean blue. And then I'm using some of those little tiny seashells from the Dollar Tree that come in the little glass bottles, and I'm just scattering them all over the dolphin to embed the seashells in the Dollar Tree resin. If you can't find those little seashells at Dollar Tree, you can get a huge jar of them on Amazon too, and it's a really good deal. And I have those linked in my Amazon shop as well. So I finish it up with the rest of my resin. I want to fill it all the way up, and my shells were floating a little bit, so I was trying to get them to sink a little bit with a toothpick, and then I just burnt off the bubbles. I let it sit overnight to harden up, and the fun part, we can unmold this beautiful dolphin with the seashells inside. And I thought this would be the perfect top for a wind chime. So let's go ahead and DIY that. I thought seashells would be perfect to hang from it. The first thing I'm going to do is just trim off any sharp edges I have there on the back of it with just a razor, but otherwise it turned out pretty smooth. I got this resin drill set on Amazon the other day, and I was wondering if I could also use it for seashells, and it worked perfectly. So I am just going to use some seashells I found at the beach. Some of them might be from Dollar Tree. I just wanted some small ones because this is going to be kind of like a mini wind chime. And I just drill a hole in the top of all of the seashells. I wanted a variety of different colors, shapes, and sizes. And then I'm going to have them kind of dangle down from the resin dolphin just like that. And who knew that I could use the resin drill for seashells too? I'm sure I'm going to be doing that a lot. I don't think it would work for a really thick shell, so keep that in mind. You don't want to break it. It does come with lots of extra drill bits though. Now we're using the resin drill for the resin itself. I just went ahead and drilled 3 holes there in the bottom of the dolphin. And then for a hanger, I'm going to use some of these little mini screw eyes that I got on Amazon to the top. Since I have just taken it out of the mold, the resin is still a little bit pliable. So I just force it in there using pliers to turn it to make a really fun little hanger for the top that I think will be nice and sturdy. Now for the seashells, I'm going to use a fishing line. I thought that would be cute, something really skinny that I could get through those holes I drilled in the seashells. And it's transparent, so that's cool. So I'm just tying 3 pieces of the fishing line to those 3 holes that we drilled in the dolphin. Right there at the bottom, cutting off any excess. Now it's time to string our wind chime. I'm just going straight through. I do a knot in the fishing line where I want the seashell to sit. And I do a cross in a row so that they're all about the same height, hanging down from it. So I did 1 shell all the way across, just like that. Now your fishing line will kind of curl up if it's been on a roll like mine. I just kept kind of trying to straighten it out, and I just keep doing that all the way down. This middle one I'm going to make longer so it will hang longer. So I have 1 more shell for that one. For the hanger, I'm also going to use fishing line for that. I put it through the screw eye and just tie it off, and I have a beautiful resin dolphin seashell wind chime. It's a little mini wind chime, but I thought it turned out really cute. For more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. My website is also craftybeach.net. And until next time, happy crafting.